My name is Rabi.
My name is Giza.
And today we'll be participating in the MasterChef, and we just want to briefly explain to you what we'll be making. So what we're making today is basically what we call rolex in Uganda. It's a very famous street food. Most of the famous people who have gone there have definitely tried it, and if you ever plan to go to Uganda, you should also try it. It's really nice. So rolex is a combination of chapati and eggs, which is very famous in East Africa. Chapati is from India. It's an inspiration from there. It goes way back to our history of East Africa, where we had Indian merchants and businessmen who came to the coast, and because of that interaction between the local people in East Africa and the Asian businessmen, we got to adopt some of their foodstuffs, and it's not just chapati but also other things from the different continents. So basically it's made using plain flour, salt and oil, and then warm water that we'll be using. Yeah, so let's get into it. So basically we use plain flour, salt, oil and warm water. So we're going to start off with 1 kilogram of plain flour. This is just what we are planning to do, use 1 kilogram, but you can always use the amount that you want. So it's the first thing we do, you put it in. So this was 1 kilogram. We're just going to add maybe like 100 grams more. And again, it's just us doing our own measurements, but it just depends on how much you want it to be. So after that, it's time for putting the salt. For the salt,